Hi there, it's Rick from indexicon.com. I'm going to try and attempt to do a little experiment really. It might take a few weeks maybe. But basically this site I've got here, it's called serchevalier.org. It's about where I live in France. It's a ski resort, and I've had this domain for about 10 years I think, and it's done very well over the years, until sometime in 2013 when the traffic really tanked quite badly. I'm pretty sure it's a um, penguin algorithmic penalty. It did rank well for the phrase "Ser Chevalier," which it does not now. So at the moment, in something wrong with Bing there, but in Yahoo, um, it's doing pretty well. In Google, it's doing bloody awful. So things like Ser Chevalier, it's not in the top 100. Ser Chevalier France, not in the top 100. And the only one that's reasonable is Ser Chevalier blog, which nobody searches for, so there's not much point in that. So if I look at the Google Webmaster Tools for this one, you can see at the moment that if I go to search traffic manual actions, you see there's no manual penalty, so probably looking at a algorithmic one. Look at the Google index content keywords. This sort of gives you an idea of what the site's about. So in theory I should be ranking for something like, say, Chevalier France. It's not a problem with the indexing of the site, because if you look here, you'll see that there's 1,944 URLs submitted and 1,853 URLs indexed. I mean, that's okay. So it's okay. So what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to use link research tools to find out what's wrong. But first of all, I'm pretty sure that I've got like thousands of bad backlinks. But what I want to do is to compare it with the people who are ranking now for Ser Chevalier. Now, if you put in the Ser Chevalier into a UK search, I'm doing the UK because most of the people who spend money here are from the UK. Well, apart from the French themselves, but I'm not going to do a French site. So it's like the Telegraph newspaper and number one, then TripAdvisor. Snow forecast is generally about ski areas around this place, so it's not exactly relevant. Nielsen Holidays have a page here, but this sort of thing here, this is actually my friend Duncan, Chevalier.co.uk, Ski Newgen, I know them as well. So these are the people I'm going to pick on. Ski Newgen, not pick on, but just to kind of get an idea of the competition. Ski School Connections, I actually worked on that site a few years ago, so that might be quite interesting anyway. That's Davina and Olivier, they're nice people. Ski Michael Holidays, I know them as well. So, Shea Bear, I know Matt as well. These are the people I want to be sort of like in with and kind of like, competing amongst them. But at the moment I'm nowhere near. I used to be, but I need to find out why. Anyway, so what I've done, I've made a little list. Yeah, I made a little list of the competitors here, and that's who I want to kind of fit in with, if you like. Now, okay, so I'm going to compare these with my site using competitive link detox. Now, so what I'm going to do is go to my link research tools account and click competitive link detox. And I'm going to put in my domain there. Let's put the www.chevalier.org. Okay, and there's now this option to ignore or take into account no follow links. At the moment I'm thinking that no follow links are important, and here I'm going to add travel as maybe sport as well, travel and sport as the extra themes. Okay, so I was going to add these competitors, so I'll just get these guys here and pop them into there. Yeah, okay, and I'm going to run that report. Okay, that'll take a while to run now, so I will talk about it in the next video. Okay, thanks. It's Rick from indexicon.com.